Hello all, this is Tejal from submodules software and today we will see how to add inventory adjustment entries. So let's start. Just click on inventory module and select inventory adjustment submodule. Then just click on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. To export inventory adjustment entry, you can just click on export to CSV and export to Excel option. To create new entry, just click on add inventory adjustment. Just select the type which you have to update or add, deplete, found or lost. I'm just add it. Just select the date, then add approved by. I'm just adding manager over here. Then select the approved date. Then select the status. Then enter the notes for it. Then search for the product and select it. Just select the bean. If you don't get any bean over here, then check out my video how to add product with the bean and add it. Just select that bean. Current count of that bean will be available over here. Just update counted quantity which you have. Then I am just adding 16 over here. Then adjusted quantity will be calculated automatically. Current average price you have to add. I am just adding 25,000 and new average price I'm just adding as 30,000. Reason because trending. If you don't get any product in this search list, then you can quick add your product through this add product option. And product catalog, you can also select your product through this product catalog option, and you can import your product through this import product option. You can quick delete your line item through this action given over here and just save it. On save only, your data will be saved and page will be reloaded. Just save and close it. Your entry will be created successfully and you can easily view, edit and delete that through these actions given over here. And you can quick filter your results through this filter given over here. And you can quick refresh your search result through this refresh button. This is how you can add your inventory adjustments entry. If you get any query to add inventory adjustment entry, then please contact us at sunmolesoftware.com. See you in the next video.